Using a Samsung Galaxy phone, then you're in luck because Samsung devices include some of the best phone link features available. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up Phone Link with your Samsung phone, explore its exclusive features, and help you get the most out of the connection with your Windows PC. So let's get started. Before getting started, make sure your Samsung phone is running a supported version of Android and has the link to Windows feature available. Most recent Galaxy phones include this feature right out of the box. Open your Samsung phone settings, tap Connected Devices or the Link to Windows option, and turn the feature on. Then sign in using the same Microsoft account that you use on your Windows computer. Now open Phone Link on your Windows PC. Follow the setup instructions, scan the QR code if requested, and wait while your Samsung phone finishes pairing with your computer. Yeah, the process usually only takes a minute. Samsung phones often support advanced phone link features such as screen mirroring, running multiple mobile apps, cross-device copy and paste, drag and drop file transfers, and instant access to recent photos. The exact features depend on your phone model and software version. Open Phone Link settings to manage notifications, calls, messages, clipboard syncing, and other available options. Adjusting these settings can make the experience much more convenient for your daily workflow. If Phone Link isn't working correctly, update both Phone Link and Link to Windows. Make sure both devices use the same Microsoft account, and verify your phone remains connected to the internet. Reconnecting your phone usually fixes temporary syncing problems, and that's how to use Phone Link with Samsung phones. Once everything is set up, you can enjoy one of the smoothest phone-to-PC experiences available. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Samsung, Windows, and technology tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.